Come on.
When am I going to use the nether?
You can use the other arrow whenever you want. Load that bad boy up. There you go. Hit that box this time. Watch what you're doing. Take your time. Oh, that was a close one. Just make sure you... Hey, you're putting it on the wrong way. And you shouldn't be pointing that at anybody, no matter if it's a bow or not. It's still a weapon. Now take your time and aim that green dot. You're not taking your time, Jax.